Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Yellarigu Namaskara. A warm welcome to one and all to the third Kala Sanjay organized by School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, Reva University, Bengaluru. This evening's Kala Sanjay program is indeed special. All of us know that the entire country is celebrating 75 years of glorious independence on the theme Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. With regard to this, we, the School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, are coming forward with this episode of Kala Sanjay, where we dedicate all our performances to the great Indian independence movement, all the people who have fought for freedom, and the great soldiers who are protecting our country. On this note, we start our Kala Sanjay with an invocation dance by Shri Rakshit. Rakshit is a second year bachelor's in Bharatanatyam student of School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies. He would be presenting us a Shiva Tandava Stotram. This Shiva Tandava Stotram, which is written in Sanskritam, is traditionally believed to be written by Ravana, the great king of Lanka. Ravana is believed to have authored this Shiva Tandava Stotram pleading for moksha to Lord Shiva, and Ravana, as all of us know, is one of the greatest devotees of Bhagavan Shiva. I now request Rakshit to start this Kala Sanjay with an invocation dance. Shiva Tandava Stotram.
सोन धूलि धोरणी विभूषराभृति प्रभुचंगराजमालया
Thank you, Shri Rakshit. With that enthralling performance, we now have a very wonderful patriotic song from the movie Border. I hope by this time all of you must have already guessed what the song is. Any Independence Day celebration would not be complete if we don't think about the true heroes, the soldiers who are always protecting us. We will not be able to do anything if at the border our great Indian soldiers are not protecting us. On this note, we now have Professor Shruti Chandrasekhar, Assistant Professor, Carnatic Vocal, School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, and Professor Anand Raj Gonwara, Assistant Professor, Hindustani Vocal, School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies. They would be rendering the very heart-touching song from the movie Border for all of us. Thank you. Hello, hello.
Hello. के घर कब मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा।
उसे प्यार का जान दे, उसे प्यार का जान दे। वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरे घर मेरी
मेरे दोस्त तो मेरे दिलरुबा, मेरे मांगो मेरा प्यार।
उन्हें जाके प्यार।
या जो वाला वो
एक दिन
Thank you.
With that wonderful, heart-touching song, we now have a beautiful Jugalbandi of Odissi and Kathak dance forms. We have Mrs. Anjali Raj Aras, who is working as the program manager at School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, Rewa University, showcasing the Odissi dance style. Mrs. Anjali Raj Aras is a trained Odissi dancer and also a master's student of Odissi dance form. We have Shri Janardhan Raj Aras showcasing the Kathak dance form, who is a trained Kathak and a contemporary dancer, trainer, and also student of Diploma in Indology at School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, Rewa University. I now request Mrs. Anjali Raj Aras to come over and give a brief synopsis about their performance.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to the performers before us. It was so heartwarming. Janardhan and I will be presenting two styles. Since we are celebrating the Indian spirit, we wanted to showcase the different styles, as varied and as diverse as they may be, yet they're all united by a common thread. And so we wanted to showcase that today. Odissi, which belongs to the eastern part of the country, and Kathak, that is from the north and northwest. And what better way to highlight that than by showcasing this wonderful season of monsoon, as it has been raining here. So we will be presenting a Chaturang set to Rag Megh Malhar, and this music is by Project Magic of Rain. Thank you.
After that wonderful and enthralling performance of Kathak and Odissi, we now have a patriotic song sung by Ms. Dhriti Suresh, a second year student of School of Management Studies, Rewa University. I please welcome Ms. Dhriti Suresh.
देश से प्यार को हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, देश से प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना चाहिए। रे करे सरे जिंदगी बात मेरी यूं ही चलना चाहिए। रे करे मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना देश से प्रेम आँखों से झलकना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना चाहिए। रे करे सरे सा शत्रु से कह दो जरा, सीमा में रहना सीख ले। ये मेरा भारत अमर है, सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति के इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना चाहिए। है मुझे सौगंध भारत है मुझे, भूलना ही कृष्ण तुझे। हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युद्ध ये सम्मान का है, मान रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत कहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
What else do we all need when we mark this glorious 75 years of Indian independence with the note, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए? I think this is the actual bloodline and the spirit of Bharatavarsha, Bharatakhanda or India. A great salute to all the great people who have made what India what it is. Very happy and proud that School of Performing Arts and Indic Studies, Rewa University, has come up with such a wonderful showcase of art forms and songs to commemorate and celebrate the spirit of Indian independence. We sign off, thanking all of you once again for being with us physically and virtually and making this a grand success. Meet you in the next episode of Kala Sanjay. Namaskaram and Jai Hind.